So thanks a lot, JCC, for inviting me for this great session. And JCC has been one of the pioneers across education and leading up the research efforts across different branches. The management here is doing a fantastic job to ensure that students are on their way becoming next gen leaders, and at the same time ensuring that it's not only about theoretical knowledge but also about practical industrial knowledge as well. And that's where Solid 2023 is kicking in and ensuring that these topics which we are discussing here are diving into different aspects of the industry. Big data, IoT, all the analytics stuff that we talk about here is actually the one that we do inside the industry as well. And connecting directly to the campus from corporate is one of the things which is being really carried out here in GCC as well. If I talk about the other part, which definitely most of the students can take up here as well, would be uh, staying focused across what you really like and being dedicated towards your passion and your goal. I would definitely say there's no industry which we cannot venture up ahead. Everything is possible. Even impossible says I am possible. So I would say just look out for what you like and always explore what you really want to do.